Hi, if you love the Frappuccino that Starbucks sells, you have to watch this video. First, we're going to make any type of coffee. Could be filter coffee or instant coffee. It has to be very strong. I made half a cup, and then I let it cool down, and then I put some milk in a container and I put it in the freezer. Once it froze, I took it out and I poured the coffee, put it back in the freezer until they both froze, and it came out like this. And then I broke it into pieces and I put it in the blender. I added some cold milk. You can put the sugar or sweetener now or before, whenever you want. We add some cold milk, we turn the blender on, and then it begins to slow down a bit, but we keep on adding milk until it gets really creamy and the blades begin to run faster, and it's done. And there it is, our Frappuccino. And if you guys want it to be just like Starbucks, you just can put some whipped cream on top of it and it tastes exactly the same, or even better. So much cheaper and really fast to make. So I hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it's absolutely free. And don't forget to activate the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, bye.